Did you know that blue jays are not blue? Also, peacocks and hummingbirds do not contain a rainbow of colors. It is all in the eye of the beholder. For this, we will turn to On Growth and Form, the complete and revised edition by Darcy Wentworth Thompson, which might be the saddest science book ever written. He wrote the first version during World War I and then revised it during World War II. What they're actually producing is something called optical colors. They're not using pigment like other animals do. And there's two main types of optical colors. What the blue jay does, along with the Indian roller and the macaw, they have these tiny air-filled pores. And because of that and the refraction that happens in there, what appears to our eye is the color blue. And as Thompson says, it's like Tyndall's blue, which is the color of the sky. Tyndall was a naturalist in the 1860s or so. He was a big mountaineer, and he wanted to understand, why is the sky blue during the day and red in the evening? And so he put air in tubes and shone light through it, and finally realized why one end was blue and the other end was red. And it was about the refraction patterns of the light going around the air particles up in the sky. So the same color that gives blue to the sky is the reason that blue jays appear blue to our eyes. Then we have our friends, the hummingbirds and the peacocks. And what they have is these films or plates or ridges that are covering their feathers. And you can almost picture it like surface of oil or gas, and you're getting different refraction patterns across this very thin film. And it's so fine, down to a half micrometer thick, that it can give you this giant array of very striking colors. As Thompson says, the thickness of each film lies on the very limit of microscopic vision, and the least change or irregularity in this minute dimension would throw the whole display of color out of gear. No phenomenon of organic magnitude is more striking than this constancy of size. None more remarkable than that these fine lamellae should have their tenuity so sharply defined, so uniform in feather after feather, so identical in all the individuals of a species, so constant from one generation to another. Beauty is in the eye of us beholding.